Hello everyone, welcome to PO Talks. So today this is going to be a different video wherein in our channel we are going to start a new column called as Money Talks. So today I'm going to discuss some of the most important money lessons which every student must learn. So first thing, you must learn what is the difference between a need and a want. See, a need is nothing but food is a need because we need to eat every day. Water is a need, clothes is a need. These are needs. And what are wants? Going for a film, going out for a restaurant. These are wants. So first thing what you need to learn is differentiate between need and a want. See, you must spend money on needs, not on wants. So lesson number one is know the difference between needs versus wants. And see, and I'll give you some examples. A smartphone might be a need, but latest smartphone is a want. Without a new video game, they might miss playing with their friends online, but it's still a want, not a need. It might help everyone if your teen can drive to school or work, but in many cases, an extra car is wanted more than it's needed. So, these are some of the things. And to resist this, you need to practice delayed gratification. By resisting the urge to buy things on a whim, will prevent them from going into debt in the future. So, for example, if you see a new mobile phone coming out and if you want to buy it, so you should not buy it. So you need to delay that gratification. So by buying a new OnePlus or anything phone, so it is just to fulfill your instant gratification you're going and buying. But that's a poor money choice which you make. So, and the second lesson is spend less than you earn, save the difference. See, this is the basic thumb rule. So, you need to spend less than how much money you make. As a student, I know we cannot make much, but it is very important to not spend much on what you don't earn, right? Keep those things, keep those things in mind. When you spend less than you earn, you can pay your bills, avoid credit card debt, save for the future things you wanted. Your teen goal should be grow the gap. So simple thing, you must just focus on earning more money. That's it. So for this video, these are the two lessons. First thing, we learn what is the difference between needs and the wants, and the second thing, we learn how to delay the gratification. What is the difference between to spend less to earn more, spend less than you earn, save the difference. So keep in mind needs versus wants, and spend less than you earn, save the difference. Have a nice day. Bye.